All right. Sorry for the break in transmission. We are back up. All right, so we can open back our workbench. Just a quick recap of everything we've done today. You open your workbench, you drag your fluid flow fluent to this box right here. You open your geometry, you draw, you close it, file, close design modeler. Then you go to your mesh, then you open, and we are right here. And a quick recap of what we've done so far. You click on mesh, you right click, and you insert an edging for these first lines. Then do the same for these lines and these lines. Have you opened yours? Click on mesh. Because yeah. No. Just click on generate. Have you opened from? Let me look at it. Yeah, I'm coming. It's there. You just need to click on this plus button to read it. You click on generate. Yeah, at this top part. Does anybody have question? The face. No, we've not done face. After we've done edge sizing 1 and edge sizing 2, I just clicked on generate. Then I have this rough stuff at my screen. It's black. Click on mesh. After I generate, click on mesh. Did it show? Did it show? It showed. Are you serious? Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah? Then the next step is, if you look at it, you will see that the mesh face is very rough. So the next thing is to do face meshing. Yes. Which straight line? And if you can see, you still see that it is rough presently. So we are going to, what we want to do is, next is face meshing, so that everything will be straight. Next step is to do face meshing. Just same way. So you click on mesh, you right click on mesh, insert. Down you are going to see face meshing. You are going to, for this, you are going to click on the surface. You know, I told you the other time that we have vertex, edge, surface, so face. So this one, you are going to click on this surface here. Click on it. Emmanuel, are you following? This surface. We want to do face meshing, like the face, the plane. And the mesh we did before was just the side, and this side, this side. I'm trying. I want them to fully understand. Like, most people don't even have idea of Ansys, so I'm trying to fully do 2D. Then later we can go to 3D. I just want to firstly go through geometry mesh so that you understand what everything does. Okay. Have we clicked on the face? Then you click on apply. It's nothing. Hmm? So after you click on that, click on generate. Click on.
You don't show anything for you.
Are you done? Click on and generate after you've applied. So once you click on generate and you click on mesh, you will see that it is now neatly meshed.
What is different? Now,
This one is let's say you want to get a property at this middle. If you notice that one, this side were very tiny and they were not like into correct boxes. So if you are trying to get properties at this place, you won't be able to get the accurate value for them. Yeah. Yeah, this for this side and this side. Yeah, the four sides. Yes. So have we done this part? And Miriam, have we done it? And it's correct like this. It's showing like this. Are you sure? Alright. So after this, after you've done this face meshing, the next step is for you to do it too. We are trying to name our rectangle. Eh? What did I do on this side? Face meshing. Here's the face meshing. I just clicked on here. I right click. I right click here. I click insert. I did face meshing. Face meshing. Once I click on face meshing, you click on this surface to apply it. Apply and you generate. Yes, yes, yes.
So which one are we doing?
Eh?
What does face meshing mean? Means on this face.
Yes, on this face.
Okay, that means how many
Yeah.
boxes there?
Just this line, this line, this line,
So
this
which
line.
other face? What is that face?
It's only one face. It's only one face I applied to. It's just one face.
What's the next problem?
The next step is just to name it. Just give it the name of this one, the name of this one. Then that's all for mesh.
That's what I have to do.
Yes. Yeah. So the next step is just to name our rectangle. So we want to know what side is the inlet of the pipe, what side is the outlet of the pipe, and what side is the wall of the pipe. You get. The next step for this mesh, before we are done, is just we want to name the sides of our rectangle. So we want to name this place as our inlet, this place as our outlet, and this place as our boundary walls. You get. So I will know the direction at which the fluid is going. You get. So you click on this line. You click on edge because you want to select a line. You click on edge, edge, then click on this one. Click on this line. Then you right click. You are going to see create named selection. Eh? You want to name the sides of our rectangle. So what you are going to click on edge because you want to select a line. You are going to what we want to do now is we want to name the sides of our rectangle. This place as our inlet, this place as our outlet, this place as our boundary walls. You get. So that we can select our lines. We are going to click on edge to select lines. You click on edge, then you click on this first line. Okay. 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 Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
You can see the point of something of A is selected. Can you all see that? And that's edge selection. Drag to the next one. You can see as a kind of selection on the place. The plane is selected here. That's the place selection. Okay. Drag to the next one. You can see entire is selected here. That's body selection. You understand? The role of each of these things differs from each other. Let's say, suppose you are working on it now and you want to select maybe the entire wall of your video now. You use the name under your name selection operations. That's when you will use that. So when you click on it and drag it towards your diagram, it will bring out a kind of skeletal box to select the entire diagram, depending on the people you have in mind to select. You get that now? That's the way it works. And then also for the face. You drag it, if you have clicked on face select and drag the cursor to any point or you want to identify. You need to select for you on the click. You get it. That's the way it works. Go on.
Okay. So the edge selection, I think we all understand why we want to use edge selection now. Because we want to choose an edge, this line and this line. That's why we click on edge selection. Okay. There's no solution per se. We are not trying to like fix. No, like the general purpose of this class, they will give you exam on it and questions on it. But I'm just trying to now. The geometry basically they will just tell you to like maybe a question or maybe a pipe or a body, and they'll give you the dimension of the pipe. So you are going to have to draw it. Then for this mesh you do it for almost all your problems, just to have like understanding of the properties of your objects, the objects you are trying to float through. Yes, yes. Yeah. Okay. So what we are trying to do now is just to name the sides of our rectangle. So we are trying to name this side as our inlet. So our fluid will be passing through this side and be going out through this side. So this side will be our outlet, and this place will be our boundary wall. These two sides. Do you get? Do you get? Do you get? Eh? Summary. Somehow. Okay. So let's name it now. So you click on this, you click on your edge selection to select this first edge. Then once you can click on this first edge, you right click. You see create named selection. You click on it. So you call the first one inlet. You can call it anything you like, bro. So we are calling the first one inlet. Then you click on OK. Yes, just inlet. What do you name it? Then you click on this next one. On the next one here, and you right click. Then create named selection. That's our outlet. You name it outlet. Yes. Yes, this last line. Yeah. Then click on OK. Then the next step is to select. Yeah, I selected this first edge here as the inlet, and this one here as the outlet. Where did I click? No, you first click on this line, then you right click the line, then you right click, then you see create name selection. So I want to do for these two parts now. You'll be seeing everything you are doing here. So we have inlet, outlet. It remains boundary walls. So you click on this first line, then control. Then you click on this second line too. So you have two lines marked. Do you get? Then you right click, create name selection, boundary wall.
Do you have to click on both top and bottom?
Yes, so that they are both boundaries. Boundary.
Do it.
Sorry.
Hmm?
How did you do that? You got different from it.
How did I get?
This surface.
Okay, it's okay. So it's done. Well, the first exercise is okay. So the next step is to do. Yeah, the next step is it's trying to fix face meshing. So you click on mesh, insert, then face meshing. So this is your face meshing.
How we now make it
Eh?
tiny.
No, you now click on this. You
alternate the SPEs.
yes, that's what you're trying to do. That's what face meshing does. Then you click on this surface. You will apply it. So you've applied your face meshing now. Then the next step is to generate.
But that's on fixed holes you see there.
Eh?
That's on fixed holes.
Fix those like that.
You see some fixed holes now. How we make this really, really small?
Let me check. When you are doing this one, did you select this one separate?
Yeah, only that's the one that is exercising too. The exercising one is just this one and this one.
No, wait, what are all of you showing?
I just start from the beginning.
Okay.
Calm down now. Why are you doing this?
Sorry, what are you guys showing? Like, what are most of them are not here. Sorry.
It's supposed to bring out these details of mesh.
Details.
Hmm? Eh? Yeah, I'm coming.
Why is it on the
Yeah, it's supposed to show these details at this down part, but I'm not sure why it's not showing.
Can we close it and open it? Is it possible to close and open it?
Can you rename what? Like, let's say I rename this.
You can close mesh and maybe open again.
Can you change?
The name of like this inlet, outlet, and
No, I think there's no more light.
Maybe you're taking like.
No, there's like Director Benjamin. I'm sorry,
I've already tapped on it.
please come. They might have taken like.
I'm waiting.
There's
I'll just
easy
follow
way to
you.
make it. Yeah, later.
So
Just check
this-
it.
oh, we're not using space here. I'm using this
Feel like it.
just close this one. File close. Close.
Close.
Yeah.
Switch close this.
There's light.
Yeah. Go to workbench. Right click on geometry. Like, are you just scratch.
So just to recap, for that directory,
Yeah.
first change it.
Yeah.
Click on shape.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yes.
Click on directory.
Yes. Yes. Then you go to concept. Yeah, you are going to extract surface from sketches. So if you change it from lines to planes, yeah, you close it. Then you import it. So we are done with mesh right now. The next step is to go to setup. So double tap on setup.
Yeah.
Then we'll click on double precision.
Why?
Eh?
Click on double position.
You click on double precision
Wow.
so that our work can be very precise. Yes. Double precision. You double tap on setup, like you want to open setup, double tap. Then you tick. Yeah, tick. You click on double precision. Double precision. Then you click on start. Start. I've already closed it. But you just see beside that double precision, you will see one start button. Very obvious.
Sorry. Windows Defender firewall.
Allow access.
I say I'm not learning by this. There are too many things that I'm learning. Even I won't. I guys not the same. So to click on OK.
Yes.
Okay.
It will still be loading. It still be loading. Hmm? Yeah. So this what's the name of this song? Eh? So for this setup, you are going to see once this interface has opened, you are going to see setup, solution, results, parameters and customizations, simulation. Yes, yes, concept surface from sketches. You're going to set up solution, results, parameters and customization, simulation reports. So let me go through them one by one. You have this general. Under general, you have match, pressure, the type of work you are trying to do. Is it pressure based? Is it density based? Then the time, is it steady? Is it transient? Most likely the question would tell you if it is steady, if it is flowing at steady state or transient state. The question will tell you. Okay? And gravity just has to tell you that is it flowing? It does in the motion of the yeah. And if gravity is involved, you are on this y, you are going to put minus 9.8. Y, y-axis is normally up, but it's going down. Negative minus 1.8. Okay. So we are not using gravity. No.
You click them.
And I will untick it because I was explaining. Then
I think I don't know why it's like.
Then the next one is models. So we have multi-phase, we have energy. Let's say, most likely, let's say temperature is involved in the question. And maybe you have to look for things like heat capacity and the likes. We are going to turn on this energy. So if you double tap, yeah.
How can I try to? Sorry, I'm not trying something. My screen is like.
It's very big.
Yes.
Go to display first. Or just press Control minus minus minus. Check. It no work.
What did it?
No.
So let's say The Bernoulli equation, does it have to do with it? Yes. There's one equation that has to do with it. That you put to rho Cp. I can't remember.
MC beta.
All those kind of equations.
Long.
I think. Okay, so let's say the equation or the question that they gave us has to do with something that has to do with energy, and temperature. Maybe they give you temperature. You are going to tick this energy equation. I'm still on that models. You are going to presently it is energy set to off. You are going to click on this. Then you click on OK. So I've turned it on. Then VSCO.
So what
Then, okay, so so then heat exchanger, if you need heat exchanger, we are setting it to off. Let me just run through. Then our material. So our material is the fluid that is passing through this pipe. Is it air? Is it water? Is it palm oil? Like I said the other time. So let's.
There's no liquid.
Yeah, you can edit this one.
Oh.
So you are going to right click on air. Okay. Then you see edit. So because I turned my energy equation on, that's why I have all things like specific heat, thermal conductivity. But assuming my energy equation is off, I'm just going to have density and viscosity. At this place, energy. It was on before, but it was off before, but I turned it on. Yes, exactly. Yeah. So you can take. Let's say you do not know the properties of your fluid. You can just come to Fluent database. So you are going to see a lot of fluid here. Acetyl, blah blah blah, acetone. In case you don't know them, so you are. Yes, you should be able to search. I'm not very sure. So you can go through it here, but. So we are using air in this place. We have the density of air to be 1.225, the specific heat, blah, 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 and everything like that. Let's say our question gives us a particular fluid to use. You are going to change it here. You rename, instead of having air in this place, you are going to rename it. Yes, I just selected here. We are going to rename it and put the density the question gives you. You get the thermal conductivity, the viscosity, and everything. Then you are going to change your crate and you will close. Assuming we change something, I'm going to click on change your crate. Assuming we change anything, I'm going to click on change your crate. It doesn't matter, okay. So let's right click on this, edit. Let's say I change my density to 10.
Let's use another chemical.
Okay, okay.
You scroll down to it. I should be able to search for it.
I'm not sure.
I can't see it.
Oh, let's just pick one. So I picked, what did I pick? Gallium.
Have you seen H2?
I wish to where
What is water? It's asking the cup. Oh, sorry, not H2.
I think it should be water.
Water has a name apart from water. Okay, see it. Now, wow, down. Just go to the bottom, like, click that.
I'm going to click on
H2. Is it water liquid or water vapor?
Water liquid. Save is not working. And that one. Okay.
What did you do? Copy?
I copied here. Water liquid. So we have water liquid in this place.
Not air.
Not air. We're using water liquid. So after that, you click on close. Can I do it again?
It said new name. Okay.
And just close it. But do not save it now. And just close it. It will give you a pop-up that do you want to save. Say no and close it. Yeah, close directly.
Six more minutes.
No, you just you go to file then close geometry. Yeah.
It's going to record it down.
Well, you guys have to subscribe to my channel. No, just do it.
You have a YouTube channel.
No. It's SPE channel. I think SPE channel. Then our boundary condition, our inlet. You double tap on inlet.
Are you tired?
So for inlet now, you see these options. The velocity magnitude of our fluid going inside. What is the velocity magnitude? Let's say 10 meters per second. Do you get? You find inlet. Go to boundary conditions, but you did name selection now.
Is it on that wall?
Under boundary conditions. You see boundary conditions. Boundary conditions.
Yes, and the problem is
but you named that stuff inlet, outlet, and everything.
Wake up. You're hungry. You're tired. You're bored. You're stressed. You're not getting it. Where are you?
Okay, your own is here. But you named your own under what? Boundary.
Okay, that's what I was asking. You press something. You touch the screen.
Forgotten screen touch.
Yeah, come on, that.
Take. So click on inlet. Double tap on inlet. This class is going to end in the next 4 minutes, so I need you. Double tap on inlet. Double tap on inlet. Once you double tap on inlet, you are going to see these options: velocity specification method, reference frame, velocity magnitude. Everything has to do with the properties of the fluid coming in. Everything has to do with the property of the fluid at the inlet and part of the. Is there a video? Yes. Maybe I will send the link to. Yeah. Yes. So for my side, I changed the velocity magnitude from 10 to like 3. So, I could say it's too big. So this 3 meters per second shows us. Yeah, they will give us the velocity. Yes, the VI, inlet velocity. Have you done? They did not change. You guys should close yourself there. So I feel with this end of this tutorial, I've been able to convince you and not to confuse. So then the turbulence intensity is set to 5. The turbulence is set to this. Yeah, just keep on applying. So you apply and you close. Have you guys been able to do your own? You don't have this. But you have inlet before. Okay.
This is where I am. Well, now you go.
I want this set up on that set up. Wait, can you close this one and open it?
Just close it and
yeah, no, close it. That's nice. Maybe try to load it again. And let everything load properly. Just give it a. No. Still remains 2 minutes.
This mesh is still showing.
Yeah, you need to update this one. Just right click. Almost done. It remains 2 minutes.
Update here.
Yes, update. Then you wait for it to tick. So once it tick, you can now come back. So everything must be ticking before you. Yeah.
So this is where I am.
You've done the plane and everything.
Uh-huh.
Delete this surface SKL1. Anyone that does not tick, maybe there's something.
Why is it not ticking?
You've already done it already in surface SKL2.
So I just delete it.
Yes. And I think everything is done. Then just file, close, design modeler.
Okay.
Yeah. Then go to mesh. Dog precision. Then start.
So I don't know. So here's some error messages. What could that be?
It was the error from that.
From the previous one.
Yeah. Yes.
I click on one.
My own.
Yeah. Like
That
scroll
just
down.
has the banjo.
Scroll down. Like what I'm saying is for our own now. This is your own inlet system.
Yes.
Is missing. So what we have is under one. And when we click under one, we click on it now.
Alright, so okay, so already image.
Yeah, come.
See, this is what it's showing for us because it's one we clicked on. So us, you don't have
Inlet and outlet.
yeah. Yes, we don't have this inlet. So why? Is it because of like we made a mistake now and maybe we did save it?
See this one when you this one
Everything has opened.
now I now watch 20 hours like just 10 minutes.
This energy or viscosity or so in this case. We have our inlet. That material, so the material of the fluid that is inside is passing through your pipe. You can click on it to edit it. Edit it. If you want to change. I want to click on that. You're going to copy it. It automatically creates this asset for you. So ascertaining is one passing through your inlet.
Or even one person.
In the question, they will tell you maybe the inlet velocity or the properties of everything going through the inlet.
Because it's only
We have velocity maximum. Let's say the fluid entering is going in 7 meters per second. You have it there. The initial gauge pressure, you have it there, so you'll be able to set your
just one level stuff.
So, right off my mic. So I hope with this viewpoint of mine, I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you.